Okay, so today we have something different. These are fantasy artist trading cards. So I have no idea what they look like. I have no idea what the special cards look like. There's supposed to be a potential autograph card in there.
But what do you buy?
Oh, this is the Hildebrandt. So they did the Marvel Masterpiece 93.
Okay.
So Hildebrands are the same people who do the. Oh, this is one brother only lah. So Team Hildebrandt. But the Hildebrands, the brothers, they do Lord of the Rings art. And you mentioned that this looks like a Star Wars ripoff, right?
What was this Star Wars ripoff with Lord of the Flies ripped off?
Yeah. They actually created that Star Wars iconic poster that you remember.
Okay.
So if that poster is because they are the ones that drew it up.
Okay.
So yeah, so this is the box. So yeah, let's just see what it looks like. I don't know what to expect from this at all. I have no idea what the inserts look like.
Do you care about the wrapper or you just want me to trash the wrapper?
No, I want the box too.
No, wrapper.
Oh, the plastic.
Yeah.
No, get rid of it.
Just rip it.
Oh, yes.
Because normally if you don't care about the box, I'll just do like this.
Oh no lah, I still want the front picture.
Okay, let's see.
Oh wow.
What is it?
No, this one have to. Oh, it's already.
Ooh,
Coming in March 94.
What is it? What's coming? Collector cards
You know what?
comic. Interesting.
You know, if you have a shop, put this on your little what do you call this, window.
Maybe I'll go find for this box and see what it is.
And destroy the boxes.
That one in mind.
Fine.
So let's see. Okay, that's what the cards look like.
Only one, as in one art.
They say 10 cards per pack. That's a lot.
It doesn't feel like 10 cards inside also.
No, you know what? Let's crack.
Yeah.
Do you care about the wrapper?
No lah, just potong like this lah.
No, because I want to do the magic style opening. Just.
No lah, I want. Okay, so these are what the cards look like.
Ooh, laminated. Nice.
Oh look, it looks like Rumpelstiltskin. I don't know, is it Rumpelstiltskin?
So you sure you don't want us to wear gloves?
Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, it's not Rumpelstiltskin, it's Rapunzel. Close enough.
Rapunzel is.
Just don't hold the face, just hold the side.
Oh, they do have.
Hmm?
So we have Searching for Dragons.
They do have some special
Kingdom
cards.
of the Sea. This is probably Little Mermaid. Cavern of the Dwarfs. No idea. Forest of the Unicorn.
Was this the front page just now?
The
Yeah.
Flight. See, another Star Wars ripped off.
Mushroom. Where?
The background.
I don't know. Because it's their style, right?
Yeah. You know what? I'll give it to them. Okay, good. So autograph is the
No, the art is kind of cool. I kind of like this, how it looks like.
I mean, if it's painted style Star Wars, no, you can't run with that style.
See, like this one? It looks like you need to have some power metal music playing at the back, right? Like, oh, this one look like Mother Goose, like something from Mother Goose.
Yeah,
The
the
nursery,
fairy tale.
the nursery
Yeah,
rhymes.
the nursery. Mother, you call it Mother Goose.
Isn't it?
This one looks like a cover of a romantic.
Yeah.
I call it a different one. I think it's Ladybug.
That's Ladybug books. But the nursery rhymes are usually Mother Goose.
Okay. Oh, Lord of the Rings.
Do you still have Ladybug books?
I think I still have.
Original one?
Of course, original one. I never.
No, not like the remade one.
The remake. No, of course, original. Come on.
Hey, this one looks like that never-ending story, but
Come
it's a cat whale. It's a cat whale.
Nice.
The hell is that?
Of course, I grew up.
Oh look, Meowsy whale.
I grew up with authentic nursery books. Okay.
See a money tree.
Ah,
Dragon Lord, Snow Giant. Nope, nothing. Okay,
oh, these cards are actually nice.
I got.
So creative. Look at that. See, it looks like Harry Potter stole this one, right? Remember that?
Yeah.
That where the Harry saw his so-called father come off,
Yeah.
and it was a deer.
Yeah.
Endgame.
What's that?
This can be a show itself. Like, you have a police, a sphinx, and a damsel in distress. What is it called? Egyptian Knights.
Not even cops, Egyptian cops. This rhinoceros has like Mickey Mouse ears. Whoa, what's that?
So,
Creepy.
so the
There's it no mention of like, oh look,
No, it doesn't
unicorn. Oh, blonde unicorn.
The autograph is in front or behind?
No
you
idea.
didn't say anything. So I think this is just straight up a set of cards.
Yeah, I have no idea what I'm looking for, but I do like what I see. The art style so nice. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool.
Oh, finally I got a checklist.
Ooh, the sound. It doesn't spoil. That one looks nice also.
Yeah.
Ugh.
The audience.
Oh,
Oh.
I found something.
Oh, you found something. What is that?
It's shiny.
Shiny.
Wow, that looks nice
It's
actually.
a holochrome card.
Oh, yeah, good one.
You see it?
Yeah, sleeve it up. That looks nice actually. Is it see-through? No.
No. It's called Cold Copper Tears.
Cool. What's the number?
H6.
Oh, so there is an
It's not written.
not written here. So now we got 6 cards.
Oh, okay. Find the rest. So now the hunt for the holochromes.
Egyptian Knights. This is clear cut a Star Wars.
Yeah, yes, 100%. Look, we got Ewoks and
It literally says Ewok. Ah, okay. So they did acknowledge Return of the Jedi.
yeah, because they did the art. I'm telling you.
I know. I'm just saying.
They.
Finally, I found a direct connection.
The pirates last.
So normally this type of, if it's me, the reason why I don't get into all this art is because I can buy an art book. And it's cheaper, not say cheaper, it's much more, the art is much more bigger, so I can actually look at it.
Yeah, but I don't think the art book can hold this many. Because you're limited. If it's too big, too thick of a book.
Yeah, 90 page.
Yeah.
90 page, that's nice. Oops. No, I have a few art books.
Yeah, but your art book won't have this. Look at this. You don't have the thrill of the hunt in your art book.
Yeah, that's what. That's the. But you have the thrill of the hunt of the book. Oh yay! Got one.
That looks nice too.
Okay, let's leave it up first. This is called Blade of the Gods.
Yeah, it looks cool though.
When illustrating fantasy covers, Hildebrandt prefers to read the book before determining which image would best tell its story. This cover illustration tells two parallel worlds, one primitive, one of the gods. Blades allow them to travel in between them. Ooh.
Very nice. I like this one. This looks good. It's just a chromium card.
Yeah, it's just
It's a hollow foil chromium card. Okay, my turn. I go and get one also now.
Yeah, I already got one except you. Come on, you can do it.
I don't think so. Oh, I did!
So what does it say?
Ooh! Look at that!
Go.
Thank you.
And a case.
It's a Minotaur giant. It's a Minotaur troll.
Ask and you shall receive.
Oh, it's a giant centaur. That's what it's called. So this
What's the description?
is the giant centaur.
Is it just giant centaur?
Giant centaur. And I can't be bothered reading it out.
Oh. What? I read it out loud.
Nah, you can read that. You can read that.
Fine. So this Hildebrandt says this illustration, which was done in the 1984 Realms of Wonder calendar, to give the sense of creature that is part man, part horse, aka centaur, are elongated with face beyond what would be a no. Ooh.
What is this?
What is that?
It's normal in front, but when you flip it behind,
Oh, it's D2 Dragon Lord.
it's different from the others.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
So the back normally looks like that with color.
okay. You found another subset, I think.
So I guess you need to look behind as well.
No, I look behind. I've not seen this one.
Oh, crap. I haven't checked also. Haha! Found something different. Beast.
Yeah, I saw that as well.
Collector card. Promo card, not for sale. It's a promo card. So this was a promo card?
Cool.
Didn't know.
You on the sleeve?
Can also. Thank you. Yeah, okay. So we managed to get at least 3 sets. No, we got 4 sets. We got 4 sets and 80% of a set. This one's missing like, I think about 6 or 7 cards to make a complete set. So overall the box is quite generous in giving us all these sets. So much for the subsets, but never mind.
But there's a lot of things to chase.
Yeah.
Because
Didn't get any medallion cards.
no medallions,
Yeah.
no autographs, so you're missing 2 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4. Promo doesn't count
Yeah. Should I go get another one? This was quite nice actually. I was quite happy with it.
because you have only 3 out of 6,
Mm-hmm.
1 out of 3.
What's this medallion one? I wonder. Let me check it out. Don't know what it looks
Yeah.
like.
0 medallion, 0 autograph, so you actually don't have a complete set. That's in the
Yeah.
cool sets.
Oh well, yeah. Well, that's it. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh,